Hey everyone, welcome back to Alberta Registry Hub, your go-to guide for all things Alberta registries and everyday government services. In today's video, we're diving into a super important topic, how to register a birth in Alberta in 2025. Whether you just had a baby in a hospital, through a midwife, or at home, this guide will walk you through the birth registration process, including what forms to fill out, deadlines to meet, and how to order your child's Alberta birth certificate. Make sure to stick around, especially if your child was born at home without a midwife, because there are extra steps you need to know. Why birth registration is important. Let's start with the basics. Why do you need to register a birth in Alberta? It is required by law under Alberta's Vital Statistics Act. It creates your child's legal identity in Canada. It is needed for getting an Alberta birth certificate, enrolling in Alberta healthcare, applying for child benefits, passport, and even school registration. Who can register a birth in Alberta? Only the parents can legally register the birth. This includes the mother, the father, partner, or co-parent, depending on your situation. Both parents must sign the registration form for it to be official. What you need before you register. Here's what you need to register your baby's birth in Alberta. 1. Notice of birth, sent by hospital or midwife. 2. Registration of birth form. 3. Baby's full legal name. 4. Parent information, including full legal names, dates of birth, and birthplace. 5. Parent signatures. How to register a birth in Alberta? You can register your baby's birth online, and here's how. Go to alberta.ca. Fill out the registration of birth form. Make sure both parents sign. Submit it within 10 days of birth. The 10-day deadline is important. If you miss it, the process gets more complicated. For home births without a midwife. What if you gave birth at home without a registered midwife? You'll need to submit a statutory declaration, proof of pregnancy and birth. This can be prenatal records, witness forms, medical exam reports, a delayed registration form if it's been more than a year. This part is more detailed, so check out the official Alberta government page. Ordering the Alberta birth certificate. After the birth is registered, you can apply for a birth certificate. Choose from. Short form, basic details. Long form includes parent info, often needed for immigration or travel. Order online or visit any Alberta registry agent. Common mistakes to avoid. Don't delay registration, it can take months to resolve. Double-check spellings. Mistakes can only be corrected through a legal name change. Don't forget to order the certificate. Registration alone isn't enough. So there you go. That's how to register a birth in Alberta, whether your child was born in a hospital, with a midwife, or at home. If you found this helpful, please like, subscribe, and share this with new parents in Alberta. Hit the bell for more videos about Alberta registries, driver's licenses, healthcare, and more. Thank you for watching.